Body wash fans, listen my good. When the artist drop off long time.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Gaza Nation, let me send out a message to you Gaza fans, you know. You see him when that try hold down Alkaline and it never work. And then you try for Masicka and it never work. And it's shame, you know. I still not try for Necko fire for months now and it not work.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them?
Yeah, people who are going, you don't know the things that you know. Yeah, man, you don't know one Media Fox one up. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You see it. You don't know, I say that I'm strong. You see me? One more year upon them. You don't know? Yeah, so I don't know the thing. You see me? Big up for the support. All who support the movement, support Media Fox, you see me? Big up the vendetta people, them see speed. You see it? Yeah, man. And big up the haters too. You see me? You don't know, I still a support same way. But you don't know Alkaline have a show forward up in a Barbados. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. 2 days all white. Is it? You don't know that go already. Barbados, the 19th of July. You see me? It's an all white party from 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. You see me? Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. You see it, so you don't know.
AKA Brataba.
You see me? So you don't know who go to work already, a Media Fox, and you don't know who say foot in them neck. Torture, though. Yeah, man. So we say, what do call him? The zookeeper. Yeah, man, zookeeper run out. You understand? But we're going to hear people. You don't know.
That's what you know. I think you got to war with Masicka one of them there, you know. Cause what you know? Masicka lead there, you know. You remember you drop off like body wash fans. Listen my good. When the artist drop off long time. Before him drop the EP, listen me cause I'm not chat fuck you know. Before him drop the EP, right? Him been now going with nothing. Key man and them thing them see him do 100 thing per one audio. Key man, him shoot video, him do visuals, him do this and that, and rehearse and man bag of fuckery. And then we go see him drop the EP. Out of the EP, not sure how much song. Out of the EP, how much song come out of the EP there? We're good. When girl good, that good, that you go on.
You know, say, more when you hear them youth, them IQ low. Because him say EP and it's not a EP, it's an album. So, you know, say right there, so, a back of class. You understand? Yeah, man. So, him say what, 1, but 16 album drop last year. And not even one hit song no come out of none of them. You understand? Especially, the song them drop on the 16 EP, the 16 album them last year. Them not in the top tier song them for this year either. You understand? So, you was say Alkaline for war Masicka and Masicka pass Alkaline and bag of thing. Brother, I'm telling you already, you know. When you live in a box, you see me? It's like on a brain only stretch just in a Jamaica. Or maybe on just the internet street. Can you remember, you know? Although we have the internet, you know. The internet surface different territories. So you might see things that Jamaica and feel like say I saw the word I think and I saw it go. You understand? So enough things you know say with Alkaline. You say him fall off, him do this and him do that. See? But the youth at the youngest year do him do right now. You understand? All of the fall off thing wanna say with him. He might do way better than the artist them wanna prep up. You understand? Yeah, especially the young ones. So I don't know what I talk about. Bro, I'm telling you already, brother. The Masicka thing right now is just hype, bro, and just PR thing, you know. All Masicka have album of out up, brother. So, nothing wrong if them go and hype him up, go and prep up the song, them and everything, brother. But just remember, say, brother, after a while, them song they not really set any impact or build him catalog, brother, because them song them not last too long. You understand? You have to keep on put out song, and them say this a hit, and then next year we're not hearing back that song again. You see me? So the Masicka thing, Alkaline don't need for war Masicka, brother. Alkaline 10 step ahead of Masicka, bro. When you just hype up Masicka right now, with him hot song them, that's all now do. You really a change nothing, brother. I tell you something, live in a small world. You see it?
I say you go shoot video for you, because you say, the best song out of everything when you out of the rubbish heap are the best song that we job. When you good, them good. Watch you now. Me see you go shoot a video feed, video bad. Now I give you props. Watch you now. Me see you try everything when you try to run the place. Stop follow up Cartel and go war Masicka, brother. It's simple as that.
Yo, man say stop follow up Cartel. I don't know who not talk about it, brother. You see me? Man, look like Alkaline a follow up Cartel. You see, because when you watch, man, so when I see some wrong thing in the eyesight. You understand? Alkaline just do what I do normally. I don't know, follow up. You understand? The man name with the wrong Cartel I follow him. Now Alkaline, my fam. You notice Cartel depend on the media every day and Alkaline don't depend on the media. So how am I follow up Cartel? Alkaline for the Jamaica where they do him shows and do him video them. Then you see after Cartel take private jet and forward down. So I don't know what you mean by follow up. You see me? That in no mind. Can't watch man too much. You see me? But I saw it go. I just success I hurt. You see it? Yeah man, I just one of them thing there.
Follow up real boss and go Masicka, bro. Because watch you know, a third place is still around the dancehall. I'll be honest now. After real boss step down, I allow it. Masicka have to be the man, I be the truth. And Masicka the man. Him been put out the work throughout the years, consistent everything. Right, boss. You need to do something for yourself, bro. You need to do something for yourself. You need to make a comeback, and the only way that comeback.
Why for that, brother? Brother, let me tell you what you have to do. I think Jamaica's who did look for some worker, you know. Yeah man, they might look for some worker, man, for get the lion and you see me? Power wash a monkey them, man. You see me? Yeah, wipe off a snake them. Feel like that job they good for you. Cause, brother, I don't think you can really see the reality with the difference between Alkaline and Masicka, dog. Una use some Jamaica thing, some Jamaica hype, bro. And that me realize. You understand? A lot of things I don't know we are going with Masicka, you know. Una just look on some internet thing. Consistency don't mean say yo, you do better than the artist or better than another artist, brother. You're just putting out music. You understand? And then people say hits, but next year or two, them song they not play. You understand? And then you have a next artist who put out song and the song a hit and it'll create impact. Because right now, girl good song, none of Masicka song when you drop this year can't come against this, brother. You understand? None of them song them. One just a hype up Masicka in a Jamaica, you know. And that me realize, you see it, but the fool is the last, you know, and I go realize everything will make sense soon. You understand? Because remember say the youngest fear do it right now, Arena. Every little thing. And then I go hear the girl good song. And I go hear more song. The thing is that, you know, the girl good, yeah, for the summer. But the other is a song on the album is playing. You see me? People are listening out there in the world. Kind of feel like that Jamaica alone and listen to music. Yeah, people out there will listen to music, brother. You see me? Every day you get up about one song. At least Alkaline get one. How much of the other rest of the album them get? Because we know girl good song I go play forever. Or the girl them anthem that. You understand? But you not go realize what go on. You see me?
You need to go war Masicka. You need to go direct. Like what family do over there. This is just part 1, part 2 forward. You need to go war, bro. Go war. We see you do it against 6. We see you go up against Cartel. We see you dirt popcorn. Yeah man, go war, man. Go on, go war.
So you want to tell Alkaline for war Masicka? Brother, you feel like say Alkaline hungry for war? We need for war Masicka for do what? What Alkaline I do right now, I do way bigger than Masicka, brother. Every time Masicka drop a song, we not talk about hits. Brother, that ain't going nowhere, fam. From 2023, you know, been I say the same thing. I want to see no difference. Every day you get up hits. Where are they now? Where the hits them there? Where the hits them? Where the consistency and the hits them where to do for him major? Tell me what to do. I just a bag of talking on the internet, dog. You understand? For a man we have dropped so much hits for so much years. The man not even can do a tour much less, brother. A tour. For a man we have dropped so much hits and can't do a tour. The last little something when I see him do for GOK, I must see 3 show UK, that's it. 3 show. We are talking about tour with 15 dates, different places. Or 20 dates, different places. When last Masicka do a tour? And him a drop so much hits. It's like, me tell you, say, you know, the brain come like a matches box and not realize what I go on, you know. Yeah, man. But people, we say Necko fire run out, you know. You see me? I don't know what really I go on. It's like, him a defend Masicka and the people him a beat him. Because you don't know him a run up on the Gaza, so look at now. He want ball for the Vendetta fans, them for help. So him a try say, yo, I see him going to fight Alkaline this, but Necko fire. God go there another one, you know. Yeah, man. Vendetta people them can't save it right now. I remember say last year you campaign and I diss up new rules, you know, in a Chilani and bag of thing, you know. Yeah, man. We can't save it, brother. Just go and take a beating. You see me? Yeah, man. Go and vent for the crooks, them. You see it? But here we must say people.
Gaza fan. No, Gaza Nation. Let me send out a message to you Gaza fans, you know. You see him when they try to hold on Alkaline and it never work. And then they try for Masicka and it never work. And it's shame, you know. I still not try for Necko fire for months now. And it not work. I'm not shame. Me not answer none.
But wait there, brother. Ah, boy. What you mean? Who try hold on Masicka and hold on you, dog? So you tell me, say the man must send a little message in your inbox and what try hold on Masicka? Masicka song them still a play. You still up on the internet to do what you have to do. What? The man must send a couple texts and them look at take no, brother. That can't do nothing, brother. You can just ignore the message, them. You see me? I don't know, but go and promote your thing, dog. You see me? Go and get some look attention and all of these things. You see it, but I don't know what try hold on Masicka. Or bring him down. What try do that? Some internet talk? Eh? Man song still a play. People still rate him. So I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know. I see the video them what you want make about me. I see the comments them, but guess what? When you're a celebrity, you don't argue with fans. And because Necko fire a celebrity, I not gonna argue with no fans. You know what Necko fire in the dancehall HR, you know. And I don't talk already, you know. You know chef going, you know. You hear me I say? I only can give me a 1 million SYM panda video. I not a problem neither. No, Gaza Nation. Let me send out a message to you Gaza fans, you know. You see him when they try to hold on Alkaline.
I know, you know, dog. Why? I don't know wrong with Necko fire, you see me? I don't know. I don't know at all. But, I don't know, him just love the attention, but if I had to promote him promoting things, so, I don't know. Fire genius in our building, okay, hear what I say, you see it?
Think me gone, they think me done, but me there. Alkaline. They think me gone, but me there, boy. You see, this a youth, you know. This a youth, but me give media a break more while. And a week break, observe. And watch me a go on. Then me forward that. Yo, me don't know who see it. Me don't know if me alone see it. But yo, in a real life, and this is not about you, Mr. Vendetta fans. Me attack in general. Yo, because I said this about any other artist when me a go say now. From Alkaline, sell out the Barclay and drop the NPT album. Dancehall tens your fuck. Yo, if pass here, from last year come on. From even say them time last year come right down. To when Alkaline take on 2026 on a different level. Dancehall was so tense. Yo, Mr. Fanny Man, yo.
That's how you go, brother. You see me? My Alkaline say in a our world, you know, man say, yo, my chicken say, yeah, run the place. You see me? But, you know, Vendetta go to work. You see me? Man, always a shake up the place, brother. See me like cutting forward in. Drop the eyeball and drop in the eye contact lens and everything and mash up the place for you. I same thing, bro. You see me? You don't know Alkaline got to work already. He just put out him work and people just crash out on a bag of things. You see me? I just one of them things the place I got tense, brother. You see it? Because when Alkaline effect, everybody have to just stay quiet.
For Alkaline, drop the NPT album and sell out the Barclays Center. And about to sell out a few more right now. Miami, I want part and feel it. Yo, dancehall tens your fuck. Yo, in a real life, and this is not all about you, Mr. Vendetta fans. That's not what you do when I say no. Remember, I get paid for chatting. I have some blogger boy out there, they get paid for chatting. So I stick to all something. Sometimes they know the facts now, but they can't straight from what they get paid for say. I get paid for chat. We chat facts. Me say, from the youth step out, burning. Dancehall tens. Me see a hit song out there and boy, yo, John, in a real life. You come like say, yo, NPT albums, I drag them so.
Yo, in a real life, bro. Me I tell you, Alka, you're a general, man. Tell Jordan, man. So me
Yeah, man. I say thing, brother. Your only music can conquer the haters and rock the world, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know Alkaline got to work already. You might just show them up. You see me? Everybody I wait for Alkaline album. Now them get the album. You see me? Everybody are gonna make excuse and problem. And look how much the album I drop. Them not even fart on it. I tell you. Them not talk about the album. Them Missy Protege drop album. I think Missy what? I will drop EP with you. Can it I think so. Brother, not there, brother. None of them have nothing, dog. You see me? I won't go in Alkaline make a step. Everybody have to just look. Is it? Just one of them thing there.
you're General Alkaline. Mr. Alka for your job NPT album dancehall pens. The boy can't tell me nothing. Music man of man. More I take a good time and observe and watch you go on. Mr. Dancehall tens, brother. Dancehall tens. Fucks me chat, man. I'm not following no truth. But you never talking. When me if I be me alone seat, man. Me know what me see. And me see what me see and me say what me say. Mr. Fanny you drop NPT album. Dancehall tens. I mean I take that no chat. No. A full.
Yeah, man. What do you mean? Of course, you shake up a place. You see me when Alka drop him album, you know, bro. It always become a conversation, you know. Yeah, man. And right now, the album of the year right now, like, you see me? Body talk about this album, bag of thing and Ray, one and this and that. I bag of them make them talk, but I guess when the arena show them forward, them gonna realize I go on. Yeah, man, them gonna realize what gonna take place. You see me? But they don't know zookeeper run off him mouth. You see me? But Alkaline figure war Masicka. I'm sick in the brain in the dog. I'm telling already, you know. I just have no feelings that you see me in a small little world, man. The brain in a matches box. You see me or no sit down in a ball bar or something. You see it? Cause brother, Alkaline depend on a way different level from Masicka, brother. It's come like I see what I go on. Some of the time I'm just blind. I just that. I'm just blind, brother. You see it? Masicka not ready yet, dog. Masicka do him thing. I drop him song them. Now hype up his song them. But it not really do nothing for him. You see it? Nah do nothing. Wait a do. Sign some album deal and nothing now go on, bro. Let me see when him drop a song and hype it up, say hits, and then couple months after, if him drop a next one, no remember about the one with last one. I just say go, brother. You see me? I just Masicka thing that is it, but at the end of the day I want dancer the same way. But people don't know one media fox man, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. That is it.